In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this long exposure effect on your iPhone. So let's get into it. Now, once you're on your phone, you want to go onto the camera app to launch the camera. And once you're inside the camera app, you want to go ahead and select the live photo button. So make sure live is on. Now, it's really important that you have your phone on a tripod when you're doing this, or if you don't have access to a tripod like this tripod here, then you want to try and hold the phone as still as possible. If you're moving this around, it's not going to work because a long exposure effect requires a static camera. So keep your camera as still as possible. And once you've framed up your subject, you just want to take your picture. That's going to take the picture, and then we're going to go into our images. As you can see, that's going to load up the image, and typically you'd go to edit, but to do this effect, you want to scroll up, and that is going to reveal these different effects. We've got live, we've got loop, we've got bounce, and then as you can see, last but not least, we have long exposure, and that's going to merge all of those live photos and turn that into a long exposure image. That means you can get a very quick half a second, 1 second long exposure effect on your iPhone. It's great because you don't need any extra apps. You can do this all straight on the native camera app on your iPhone. And there you go. It really is that quick and that simple. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you on the next video. See you there.